In this podcast episode, Bilyeu sits down with Ben Lamm, the CEO of Colossal Biosciences, to discuss groundbreaking advancements in genetic engineering, the potential for de-extinction, and the ethical implications of manipulating life itself. The conversation covers a wide array of topics, from the resurrection of extinct species to the future of human reproduction, all while exploring the intersection of technology and biology. Lamm opens the discussion by highlighting the transformative era we are entering, where life itself is becoming editable. With advancements in genetic engineering technologies like CRISPR and synthetic biology, scientists can now manipulate the genetic codes of living organisms. This capability has led to the resurrection of DNA from extinct animals, such as the woolly mammoth and the direwolf, which have not walked the earth for thousands of years. Lamm emphasizes that this is not merely science fiction. These are living organisms that have been engineered, grown, and born through scientific innovation. The implications of this technology are profound. Lamm explains that the ability to rewrite evolution opens up new avenues for conservation and biodiversity. By resurrecting extinct species, we can potentially restore ecological balance and address the consequences of human actions that have led to their extinction. This conversation sets the stage for a deeper exploration of the ethical considerations surrounding such powerful technologies. As the conversation progresses, Lamm delves into the specifics of how Colossal Biosciences is utilizing technology to achieve de-extinction. He explains that the company employs a combination of machine learning, CRISPR, and synthetic biology to edit the genomes of living species, such as the Asian elephant, to incorporate traits from their extinct relatives. This process involves a meticulous analysis of ancient genomes and the identification of key genetic traits that can be reintroduced into living species. Lamm shares the exciting news that Colossal has successfully unveiled the world's first genetically engineered direwolves. This achievement is not just a scientific milestone, it represents a significant step toward understanding how we can manipulate genetics to bring back species that once roamed the earth. The direwolf project serves as a case study for the broader implications of genetic engineering in conservation efforts. One of the most intriguing aspects of the discussion is the concept of multiplex editing, which allows scientists to make multiple edits to a genome simultaneously. Lamm explains that this approach is revolutionary because it enables researchers to introduce several genetic changes at once rather than making them sequentially. This efficiency is crucial for projects like de-extinction, where time and accuracy are of the essence. The ability to perform multiplex editing opens up new possibilities for genetic engineering. Lamm notes that Colossal has already made significant strides in this area, successfully editing multiple genes in a single experiment. This capability not only accelerates the pace of research, but also enhances the precision of genetic modifications, reducing the risk of unintended consequences. As the technology continues to evolve, the potential applications for multiplex editing in various fields, including agriculture and medicine, become increasingly promising. As the conversation shifts to the ethical implications of genetic manipulation, Lamm acknowledges the concerns surrounding the idea of playing God. He argues that humanity has a moral obligation to use these technologies responsibly, especially given the current state of biodiversity loss. With estimates suggesting that we could lose up to 50% of global biodiversity by 2050, Lamm believes that de-extinction efforts could play a vital role in reversing this trend. Lamm emphasizes that ethical considerations must guide the development and application of genetic engineering technologies. He advocates for transparency and public engagement in discussions about the implications of de-extinction and genetic manipulation. By fostering an open dialogue, society can better navigate the complexities of these advancements and ensure that they are used for the greater good. The discussion takes a thought-provoking turn as Lamm and Bilyeu explore the future of human reproduction. Lamm posits that advancements in genetic engineering could lead to a world where natural reproduction is no longer necessary. With the ability to edit embryos and select for desirable traits, the landscape of human reproduction could be fundamentally transformed. This prospect raises significant ethical questions about the implications of designer babies and the potential for eugenics. Lamm acknowledges the concerns surrounding these issues, but argues that the technology could also be used to eliminate genetic diseases and improve overall health outcomes. The challenge lies in finding a balance between the benefits of genetic engineering and the ethical considerations that accompany it. Lamm highlights the role of artificial intelligence in advancing our understanding of biology. He believes that AI will play a crucial role in analyzing vast amounts of genetic data, enabling researchers to make more informed decisions about genetic modifications. By harnessing the power of AI, scientists can accelerate the pace of discovery and innovation in the field of genetics. The integration of AI into biological research has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach genetic engineering. Lamm envisions a future where AI can predict the outcomes of genetic modifications with a high degree of accuracy, reducing the risk of unintended consequences. This capability could pave the way for more responsible and effective applications of genetic engineering in both conservation and human health. As the conversation continues, Lamm discusses the potential impact of de-extinction on ecosystems. He explains that reintroducing extinct species could help restore ecological balance and mitigate the effects of biodiversity loss. For example, the return of the woolly mammoth could have significant implications for the Arctic tundra, where their grazing habits could help maintain the health of the ecosystem. Lamm emphasizes the importance of careful planning and consideration when reintroducing species into their former habitats. He acknowledges that there are risks involved, including the potential for unintended consequences. However, he believes that the benefits of restoring lost species far outweigh the risks, provided that the process is approached with caution and scientific rigor. The discussion also touches on the role of public perception in shaping the future of genetic engineering and de-extinction. Lamm notes that public opinion can significantly influence the direction of research and policy decisions. As such, it is essential to engage the public in conversations about the implications of these technologies and to address their concerns. Lamm believes that education and outreach are critical components of fostering a positive public perception of genetic engineering. By providing accurate information and promoting transparency, scientists can help demystify the technology and encourage public support for de-extinction efforts. This engagement is vital for ensuring that the benefits of genetic engineering are realized while minimizing potential backlash. As the conversation draws to a close, Lamm reflects on the future of conservation in light of advancements in genetic engineering. He envisions a world where technology can be harnessed to protect and restore biodiversity, ultimately leading to healthier ecosystems and a more sustainable planet. By combining genetic engineering with traditional conservation efforts, Lamm believes that we can create a brighter future for both wildlife and humanity. Lamm's passion for conservation and his commitment to using technology for the greater good shine through in this discussion. He emphasizes that the challenges we face in preserving biodiversity are significant, but with the right tools and approaches, we can make a meaningful impact. The future of conservation is not just about saving species. It's about reimagining our relationship with the natural world and finding innovative solutions to the pressing challenges we face.